Hey, what's up? Brent from Brenspeed. Another 3-valve Mustang today. It's an '09, and we're going to talk about our non-HO supercharger to HO upgrade, because that's what we installed on this today. So we have the '09 GT manual transmission, already had a set of Detroit rocker cams, set of long tube headers for performance throttle body. I have Doug with me. We are going to take a look. Hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us today on really cool Mustang videos. This car lays down around 500 rural horsepower, but maybe that's enough for you. The reason you need to subscribe is we have really sweet videos of all kinds of vehicles heading up to that 1,000 rural horsepower mark. So, hey, if you haven't, subscribe, notify us, stay up to date. Doug, let's go check this out. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna talk about our Paxton Throwback package. Then we're gonna talk about the NOVI 2200 and the HO upgrade. Doug, come down and take a look. So remember, this starter is our non-intercooled Throwback. It's the NOVI 1200 supercharger, not the 2200. It originally was non-intercooled. That turnkey package is our least expensive supercharger kit. Currently we're using 47-pound injectors in there. Get a Kenny Bell boost pump, Kohler spark plugs, proper calibration, all right? But what do we have? We have the HO upgrade today. What is that? Well, in here, where you can't see, you get a big air-to-air intercooler, and you get all the proper plumbing. So the supercharger is basically blowing the air through the intercooler up into the engine, and what's that do? So there's nothing wrong with the non-HO kit. The calibration is designed for that. But on super hot days, you might notice a little bit reduced performance, because as the air intake temps increase, timing is going to get pulled from the engine. The reason you do intercooled is it helps prevent the hotter IATs on hot days. Air running through here, keeping everything cool. So that's what we call our HO upgrade. Detroit rocker cams, long tube headers, and the Ford performance throttle body. And what's the difference between this kit right here, like a non-HO kit with the HO upgrade package, and the NOVI 2200? Well, the 2200 is a larger supercharger. It runs more boost and does make more power. And check out all my other Mustang videos, because you'll see a lot of 2200 videos because it's super popular. But enough of this right here. Check out this dyno pull. All right, check it out. DynoJet SAE, 507 rural horsepower, DynoJet SAE today, 6,400 RPM, 438 torque at 5,300. Awesome setup for a very nice, reliable intercooled kit. So we have the smaller 1200 supercharger. It's intercooled now, and then we have the rocker cam, set of long tube headers. Sweet way if you have a 3-valve Mustang looking for 500 of the tires on like 93 octane, manual transmission. Really easy way to do it. You can email quote@brenspeed.com and say what's it cost to get installed. If you already have our Throwback package and you're interested in that upgrade, I will put a link in the description. You can read a lot more about it, see exactly what it costs, as well the other parts on this Mustang right here. But it's an '09 GT, really clean car, manual tranny, heading home. So again, leave a comment if you'd like. I'd be happy to answer. Thanks for watching.